If I were starting dropshipping from scratch, this is how I would do it. So I've been dropshipping for around 4 years now, and for me it's quite easy to rinse and repeat the process and find another winner. But it took me 2 years to start seeing some sort of success with dropshipping actually. So I thought I'd make a video showing exactly how I would start if I had to start again from zero. We're gonna go detailed step by step into what you have to do in what order so you can make sure to see some sort of success with Shopify dropshipping. So if you're getting into dropshipping, the first thing you're gonna wanna know, and the first thing I'm gonna wanna know if I'm starting from zero, is how to find a winning product and exactly what is a winning product. So obviously a winning product is a product that can sell profitably in the marketplace. Now, to be honest, if you know what you're doing, you could end up selling any product you would like. It just requires more money sometimes to test different marketing styles for specific products. And a winning product is a product that sells with one of the best margins and ROAS possible. Now, the first thing I'd look for if I were looking for a winning product would be a unique factor. Now, the reason I would go for this is because why would someone want to buy a product from me if they can go find it in their local store? If I'm dropshipping and it takes 2 to 3 weeks for them to get it, when they can literally get it the same day if they went to the local store. But if I'm selling a unique product that they can only find in my store and maybe just Amazon, then my chances of getting sales are higher, and I can use that unique factor to my advantage. The second quality I'd look for is problem solving. Now, this one's obvious, but the one thing that most people get mistaken, which I would make sure to not make the same mistake, is that it has to be a problem that needs to be solved. I've seen lots of times where people try to sell these products that solve this specific problem, but in reality, people did not need this problem to be solved since it was already more effective before it was solved. And that always leads to poor sales and poor conversion rates. Now, the third thing I'd be looking for in a product is if it can make any attachment to emotions at all. So this can be either dog products, baby products, products for Valentine's Day, products for Mother's Day. All these products have some sort of an emotional attachment. Picking a product with an emotional attachment has a lot of benefits because when it comes down to the marketing, being able to play with the consumer's emotion can help you get such a profitable store and an insane conversion rate. All right, so those are the top 3 qualities I would look for in my product. And the way I would do my product research would be firstly by going into KPIs. Now, this spy tool has been my favorite spy tool into finding TikTok products. There's so many different filters that allow me to look for so many different things. And to be honest, it's very easy to rip content as well. So it's in your benefit if you're rapid testing products. My second favorite tool is Dropship.io. Now, Dropship.io is one of the newer tools, but it also has one of the new updates that other tools don't have, like the sales tracker. So here you can actually track the sales that each store is getting, and it can roughly around the revenue it's getting show you how much they're making every single day. This can help you feel more confident about winning products that you find. Apart from that too, Dropship.io has so many filters that you can search for, expanding even into the number side of all the products. The last tool I really like and I would start using if I was starting from scratch would be Minea. The reason I like it is because you can also look for TikTok and Facebook products at the same time. Now, Minea has also been around here for a little longer, and I've been using their platform for a long time. And honestly, I've just always found solid winners there. They keep the software very simple with simple filters, making it easy to just go in there and find winners, to be honest. And now that we covered all the product side of things, this is how I would start my own Shopify store with my product. All right, now, so for creating a Shopify store, what I normally like to do is I first off create a Google Drive. When I create the Google Drive, I also create a separate emails for this whole business. And then in this drive, I'm gonna start storing all the login infos, all the content, all the logos, all the themes I use, basically everything I need for the business. I'm just gonna store it all on the drive so it's organized. Once you've organized everything and created an email and everything, you're ready to get into Shopify. And lucky for me, if I were starting from scratch, I actually have my own video I could watch. It's literally a full free course on how to create your own high converting Shopify store. So if I was starting from scratch, I would definitely just watch that and copy paste it. If you don't want to copy it, you don't have to, but I mean, this is literally the exact same layout on how I made $50,000 in 1 month. Anyway, now that we have the Shopify side of things all settled, we're getting into the marketing side of things. But before we even think about running ads, we need to be getting videos for marketing. If you're looking to be more unique and really try to get the best ROAS possible, then I would definitely start ordering videos online. And lucky for you, I actually teamed up with the CEO of Viral Ecom Ads, literally the best place where you can go get your own videos so you can have profitable marketing. And I literally was able to convince him to give you guys all the best discount he has ever given the general public, just to make sure that anyone watching this video, literally anyone that is watching and is wanting to start their own business, can literally take the first step. And I know all of you can put at least $50 into a business, because if you're not, then business is just not meant for you. But let me take you real quick into viral e-com ads so you guys can get a feel of how you can order your own videos. So if we go here into viral e-com ads, this is literally the place where I get all of my videos when I'm testing them. You can literally see in all of my videos and challenges that I do on my YouTube channel, I use viral e-com ads videos. The reason why I get them from here is because they have a proven formula to get results. Now, you just make sure to not have a shitty product, but if you do your job right, then viral e-com ads will be a blessing to you. So the ones I normally get are the TikTok split testing package right here. If you're going for Facebook, then I would get these ones for sure. Split testing video ad package, 4 ad variations for one product. The split tests help so much with different hooks so you can make sure to scale and optimize with the best results. It's literally $50 as you can see, and he is literally making the biggest discount for all of you guys to use. The code will be NICO, N-I-C-O. It will be up for 2 weeks. So literally you have enough time to go create your own store first and then go order your first videos. There has literally not been a better time for you to go ahead and start. And just so you know too, I'm profiting absolutely $0 from this. I went out of my way to make sure all of you guys could have it as easy as possible. But anyway, when you're ordering your video, you can literally add it with TikTok text as well and voiceovers. If you don't want any and you want to edit it yourself, you can also do that as well. After that, you just submit your product with the links so that they know exactly what type of videos they need to get you. And I'm pretty sure it's within 3 business days, you will get your videos and you're literally ready to go run your own marketing. Viral e-com ads also has a 99.9 success rate in delivery time. Absolute best customer service game in the industry. But now that we covered how to get videos, I'm gonna show you how to create campaigns to test my products. All right guys, so for testing campaigns, I'm gonna go ahead with Facebook and I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I would create my first campaign for testing my product. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go on to create. And then here we're gonna obviously press sales. We're gonna press continue, name it testing campaign. Then you're gonna go ahead and press next. Now this is gonna be the ad set. And here's where we're gonna pick our specific interest. So I like going very detailed. So what I would tell myself to would be literally figure out exactly who your target audience is gonna be. So ask yourself, what do they look like? What do they do? And if they were buying this product, what would they be interested in? Now, when you think that deep, you'll start to think about different interests you can target on Facebook. Not only that, but it'll help you with also your creatives for your videos. So when we're scrolling down here, we'll go into the budget, and I would like to start with a $20 budget because I like doing 5 different ad sets. In the locations, I would edit this and I would make it the big 5 countries, which is Canada, United States, Australia, New Zealand, and also United Kingdom. Then I'll scroll down here, and depending on your product too, you will have to customize your age to whatever your product looks like it fits. Here in detailed targeting is where you would add your interest targeting. So if you're selling, let's say, a hiking product, I would go here and press hiking. I could go ahead and press hiking trails, and then I can press suggestions as well. And here I'll have other interests that are very similar to hiking. And this is what I do to help brainstorm a bit as well. Like you could even choose backpacking, which I think is very specific and a very passionate niche. Whatever you leave your interest to be for this ad set, and make sure it's only one interest, go ahead and name your ad set that interest. So I'm gonna put hiking trails for this one. Now after that, I would go ahead straight into placements. I'd press manual placements. And the only placements I like to do is Facebook and Instagram, but specifically just in the feeds, not in the stories, not in the in-stream, and not in search results either. After this, you just press next and you go into the ad. Now I don't have an actual video in here, but you just basically put the video that you have for your product that you're gonna add, and then down here you're gonna add all the descriptions and headlines that you want for your product as well. I'd go with something emotional if your product is emotional, something simple, talk a little bit about your product and what it does, and then finish with a good offer call to action. Once you're done with this, you're gonna wanna duplicate your ad into however many videos you're gonna be testing. So if you're testing 3, you're gonna go press duplicate, and then just make 2 copies, and then duplicate. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and edit both of the copies with the videos that you wanna test. Then you're gonna go ahead into hiking trails, you're gonna press this and you're gonna duplicate this ad group 4 times. And then these are gonna be the other ad groups with the other interests that I'm gonna wanna test. So one of them could be backpacking, another one could be trailing, whatever it's called. So as you can see here, we're gonna have our 5 ad groups. This is gonna be the original one. We're just gonna have to change all of these videos, but if I change the videos and then duplicate the ad groups after, all of them will be changed automatically, so I don't have to do it manually. But what I do have to do manually is change the interest for the other 4 ad groups. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna wanna press publish, and then you're basically done and your campaign is set. Once you're done with that, let it run for 2 to 3 days. Do it on whatever budget works for you. And some KPIs you're gonna wanna look for is a cost per click under $1, a CTR over 1.25%. Obviously, you would wanna be profitable. If you're not profitable, but you're close to being break even, then you still have a chance. You just have to see if it's your offer that's not working, or maybe it could be your landing page as well. But reading your analytics is always gonna be important when you're testing a product, because if you don't know how to read your analytics properly, you don't know what you're doing right, you don't know what you're doing wrong, and you don't know how to scale or kill a product. Remember, if you want to make this process easier and if you're looking for some guidance, a second pair of eyes basically guiding you step by step during your way, then just DM me on Instagram. We'll put my Instagram somewhere on the screen. DM me the word YouTube and we'll take care of you. We'll make sure me and my business partner will help you get the results that you want to see. Even if you're a beginner, we help everyone. And now the final part of creating an online business is the shipping. With shipping, you just need a private supplier. And if you don't have a private supplier already, just go ahead and join our Discord with the link below. I'll literally put the link to our community and we can give you private suppliers for free. That's it, nothing needed. Just join our Discord and we'll give you private suppliers for free. And that is basically how I would begin in dropshipping if I was starting from scratch. If you guys want more details about how exactly I made $50,000 with my business partner, then we actually made a full-on case study that I will be posting with a link down in the description. You can go ahead and watch that. We're exposing our whole product, our strategies, our marketing, and we're also exposing all of our numbers as well. It can be of great help with you and really show you that anything is possible with dropshipping, no matter what age you are or what you're doing. If you like the video, leave a like and leave a comment down below into what product you're going to be testing. Best of luck, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.